Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will discuss a new chapter. The chapter name is Fractions. Chapter number 5. Already you are familiar with fraction from class 2. Actually, fraction is a part of whole, Fraction is a part of whole. So here, look at the given figure. In this figure, a strip has been divided into 7 equal parts. Out of these 7 equal parts, 4 parts have been shaded. You can see that 4 parts. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These 4 parts have been shaded. Okay. Clearly, the shaded portion represents 4/7. So, this shaded portion represent 4/7 and you can write as 4/7. Clear? Here 4/7 is a fraction and 4/7 is a fractional number. So 4/7 is a fraction and 4/7 is a fractional number. Clear? Now how we can plot the fraction on number line? You can see that suppose we want to denote the fraction 4/7 on the number line, then first of all take a line segment OA. You can see that here this number line is taken OA. Okay. Now divide OA into 7 equal parts. You can see that here OA is divided 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, totally 7. So 7 equal parts here divide and take 4 parts out of it to reach the point P. Look at, after plotting 7 points, then just take 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and give here name P. So this P represent 4/7. Okay. Here some more example are given below. Fraction 1/2 we can write in a fractional number as 1/2. 1/4 we can write 1/4 as we write 1/4. 2/3 we write as 2/3 and written in 2/3. Okay. 3/5 is a fraction and the fractional number will be 3/5. 5/8 the fractional number will be 5/8. And in this way here showing in the strip and in the number line. Okay. Clear, students? Thus the fractions shows above are 1/2, 1/4, 2/3, 3/5 and 5/8. The corresponding fractional number are 1/2, 1/4, 1/3, 3/5 and 5/8. Clear? Hope that you have understood this one. Now straightway just go exercise 5A. Here some questions are there that you have to be solved. First, question number 1. Question number 1 here tells that write the fraction representing the shaded portion. You can see that Here some figures are given, and this figure some shaded portions also is there. So you have to be write the fraction on the shaded portion. The first one is, this is the circle, and you can see that here the circle plotting 4 parts. The total parts is divided into 4 way, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and out of these 4 you can see that 1 2 and 3, these 3 portion are shaded. So you have to be right in a fraction way that 3 by 4. Total is 4. So which one is total, you have to write in the denominator, and which one is the shaded one, you have to write in the numerator. That means 3 by 4 is the required answer. Clear? In this way, here the second one, this is a triangle. In this triangle you can see that number 2, the middle portion is shaded. The middle portion is shaded, and total dividing portion is 1 2 3 4. So how many parts are shaded? 1, and total is 4. So the right in a fractional way will be 1 by 4. Okay, understand? Hope that everybody understood. In this way you have to be solved in your copy. Next, question number 2. Here a square figure is given, and this figure divided into 9 parts. Now the question tells that set 4 by 9 of the given figure. 4 by 9 means you have to be set 4 parts out of 9 parts. Okay, so just set any 4 parts, either this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, then it will be the required answer. So do it yourself at your home. Okay, now question number 3. In the given figure, if we say that the shaded region is 1 by 4, then identify the error in it. If we say that the shaded region is 1 by 4, so students, you can see that here the figure is given and 2 portion is shaded, this one and this one. So if we say that the shaded region is 1 by 4, first of all 1 by 4 it is not possible, because 2 portion is shaded, 2 portion is shaded is there, so it is not possible. And another thing is that all the 4 parts are not identical. All the 4 parts are not identical. If it will be like this way, then it will be possible. This one, this one, this one, and this one, these 4 parts are identical, means are equal. But here the shaded portion are not equal with the unshaded portion. It means that this one is not equal to this portion. That's why these are not identical. Clear to all? So what you have to be right? What you have to be right? Just see. So you have to be right that the whole rectangle is not divided into 4 equal parts. So the shaded part is not equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So just do it yourself at your home. Next one, question number 4. Write the fraction for each of the following. So you have to be write the fraction. First one is 3/4. So 3/4 it is a fractional number. So write as 3 by 4. Then 2/5. 2/5 means it will be 2 by 5. 1/8. it will be 1 by 8. 8 nines, it will be 8 by 9. So in this way you just have to be solve your question number 4, all the questions carefully. Okay, hope you have understood. Next one, the next page, page number 83, question number 5. Here question number 5 tells that write down the numerator and the denominator of each of the fraction given below. So first fraction is 4 by 9. Students, the upper side, here upper side is 4. So this one is called the numerator, and lower side it is 9, it is called the denominator. So you have to be first copy the question and then write the numerator n is equal to 4 and denominator d is equal to 9. Clear? So this is the way that you have to be solved. Similarly, number 2, here 6 by 11. So here numerator is 6 and denominator is 11. Okay. Now question number 6. Write down the fraction in which numerator is given 3 and denominator is given 8. So here this is the reverse question of question number 5. So here numerator is given and denominator is given, so you have to write the fraction. So the fraction will be the fraction equal to 3 by 8. This will be the fraction. Numerator will be right in the upper side and denominator right in the lower side. So this is the fraction. Okay. So in this way you have to be solved question number 6, all the question carefully. Next one, question number 7. Write down the fractional number for each of the following. Write down the fractional number for each of the following. So fractional number, first one is 2 by 3, so you have to write as 2/3. For the first one you have to write 2, give a hyphen, then write thirds, THIRDS, 2/3. Okay, first one will be 2/3. Then second one, 4 by 9, it will be 4 9ths. 2 by 5, it will be 2/5. 7 by 10, it will be 7/10. Like this way you have to be solved. So up to question number 7 you have to be solved. So today's homework will be question number 1 to 7, exercise 5A. So do it carefully. Okay students, so next day we will discuss from question number 8 to question number 13. So that's all for today. We will meet according to your class routine. Thank you.